Hello everyone. In machine learning program, the next project is ad click prediction or ad rate prediction. So this time I am using the ad click means how many user click on the ad or how many user view the ad. We find out the CTR. CTR means click through in rate. So first you will have installed the library pyforest. I always use this library. I have already installed. The next one is import the pyforest. The benefit of the PyForest is that we never import any other library like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. So only one this library PyForest cover all these library. So that's why I'm using the PyForest. The next one is the data set. So this is the data set where I pass the data set, and this data set is available on my Gig account or GitHub account. If you got any problem, then you can mail me. So this is the data set where I pass the pd.csv and R used for the, because if I am not using R, it give the Unicode error. That's why I'm using the R. So this is the data set. The next one is df.tail is tail show the last 5 row and head show the first 5 rows. So this is the last 5 rows of the data set. Okay. The next one is the df.shape. So it show the rows and columns. So 10,000 and 10 columns, rows and columns. Then information is a integer type, float types. So it give the all data types. Daily time spent is a float, is float type, area, all these. Then city is objective type, gender is also object type, country is also. The next one is the describe. Describe means that it show the statistical value. The so it describe only count the numeric or float values. So it's fetch the numeric column and then give the count, mean, standard deviation, mean, and 25-50%. The next one is the this is the categorical. Gender is a category. Then I convert the categorical data. So this is the column name df gender. Then again we pass the gender, and I am using the map function. You can use map function, replace function. So that I am using the map where I pass the male is 0, is a, using the dictionary, male 0 and female 1. So you can see, and df dot head, so you can check out. So gender 00 means male, 1 means female. The next is the add to click, where it gives the numeric data 0 or 1. If you see that, click on add 0011. So I want to change, but there is no need to change it. Is a that time there is no need to change this categorical data. Now the this column is not used at topic line uh, and time stamp and city. I drop this column. Now check out df.head. So you can see that there is a all is dropped the column. So there is remaining 7 columns. Before it is a 10 column. Now I check the how many sorry, click on add values. So 0 means no, click on it, the person is not click, and 1 means click. So 501583 is not click, and 4917 is click. Now next come to the visualization where I am using the box plot, where I pass the column name is the daily time spent, and by is it equal sign, click on add. These are the column names. So you can see the daily time spent, and click on add. So the person is click on add. 0 means no and 1 means yes. So click on add ratio is more, is a greater to like a 80% person is click on add. The next plot is the histogram, where I give the figure size is 97, and pass the daily internet use, how many person use the daily internet, and how much then time spent on the, this is the title name, and click on add, how much people click on add if they spend the internet daily. So you can see the time spent on the site, this is the title, and they click on the ad like a 40 uh, 1400, less than 1400% using the click on the ad, and there is a less than is 260. So this is the ratio. The next one is the daily internet uses X, where bar plot, using the bar plot, then the figure size, and then X I pass the daily internet usage, this is the column name, and daily time spent on site. This is also Y pass, this is also the column name, and data may I pass the dataset variable name, and then PLT dot show. So you can see daily internet uses person, daily internet uses, and daily time is spent on site. So where is the black portion, it means the person is not spend the time, and this is a colorful that the person is using the daily internet. The next is the also count plot. Want to see the count the age, how many people age person is using the so it count the person is click on the ad, so it give the 500 ratio, and then we go the 35 to 60 to 35 60 and 40% is use the age person use is count is 500, means the 30 to 40 person have their have age. The next is the internet uses, and where X is this is the box plot, where I title is internet uses, then is I pass the is, and Y I pass the click on add, how much people click on the ad. Age wise, so you click on it is a same thing is a 30 36 to 40% is used the click on the ad. There is a black, it means the person is this age is not using 19 is 19, then 21% is person use the net. Then same thing is the 26 to 27 into 30 is not using. Where is the black? It means not that is person use the internet. Next is I want to also drop the column in country. Country is also object type. So you can say that it drop the column country. Then why I pass the country. So these are the countries, show the all countries name. Now is splitting the data. Next is the xtrain, xtest, ytrain and bytens test. Then train test split equals sign. Then I pass the test size is 0 0.2 means 80% training data and 20% is testing data, and random state is a 0. So it's working. Now I want to see the shape all these. So you can see 8,000, it showed 20,000 is testing data. If you remember, the data size is 10,000. You can see the 10,000 data. So after this, it showed, after splitting the data, it showed the 6 column. Next is the module. I'm using the logistic regression and then sklearn accuracy score. Then I have created the method. This is the variable name LR. You can take anything. Then pass the logistic regression. So it show the logistic regression. Next is the fit the data set in train and xtrain and ytrain. So it's give the so, the next one is the y predict the data. This is the variable name. Then method which I created lr dot predict, where I pass the x test, then print the y pre. So it show the Australia data after testing the data. Now the see the accuracy of this. So it showed 0.3034. The next IM module use the random forest classifier. This is the method. RF is a variable name. Then I pass the random forest classifier and print the RF. So it is the random forest. The next is the fit the data R X train and Y train. So you can see the next also predict the data. So I am taking the variable y underscore pre, then rf, and pass the rf is a method variable name and predict x test. So you can see the after test, it give the Singapore, Georgia, Hong Kong and logistic relation give the only Australia. The accuracy is already given. The accuracy is 0.277. The next is I have created the new data set. So after want to see the after predicting how what is the output. So there I am using the daily time is spent column name, daily time is spent on site. This is also column name, age column name, area income column name, and daily internet usage, then gender, and click on click add. This is the 7 columns are. So take a variable new data set, then mp dot array, then I pass the where. First, I am using the logistic regression. LR is a method dot predict and then pass the new data frame. So you can see the it's give the some warning, but it show the only sorry Australia. One for the female and zero means no click on add. Matlab no person have add click on add. If I am using the random forest classifier, same I am using the columns name, and then I pass the RF sorry random forest logist is a method name dot predict and then pass the new data frame. So you can see that it show the name of the Papua New Guinea. So output is that both are give the different output. It show the only Australia and it show the different type of output. So this is the project where we find out the if the person is click on the ad, how many times person have clicked on the ad. Thank you.